Hey guys, welcome back to this channel. So on this video I'm going to show you how you can add a glass break transition in CapCut. So first just add your clips, then click on the transition box in here and select the camera category and choose pull in. Set it for 0.3 seconds. Click on the check icon and now go to overlay and add the glass break overlay. So I got this video from TikTok and you can just find one. Okay, just put it under the second clip, then fit the size. You can just split and delete the rest of the overlay. And then after that, click on the overlay, go to blend and select filter. So it will go like this. Then you can just go to animation, select in and find the swing bottom animation. Set it to around 0.4 seconds and now you are done, and here is the glass break transition. Okay everyone, so that's all from me. Thank you guys so much for watching. Don't forget to click thanks, like this video, comment and also subscribe to this channel. I'll see you all on the next tutorial. Bye.